Hey there, Frontier Michigan. Today we are revealing another product for the truck. Just came in a little bit ago. So, what do we got? I was a bag from Perry Parts. Those of you that know, you know what Perry Parts makes. And that would be the extended bump stops for the rear truck. These are a 3D printed bump stop, and they have more deflection than the OEM ones. So when I do reach the limit of travel and engage the bump stops, instead of having that abrupt end of travel, these are going to cushion it a bit more. So can't wait to get these on the truck. Try them out. So that just leaves 3 more components left. That would be the rear shocks, rear leaf packs, and the front upper control arms. After that, we can get this thing lifted and maybe start going on some adventures. We'll see. So thanks for stopping by for a quick little update. Bump stop. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.